If you've ever dealt with a broken serpentine belt on your vehicle, you know how frustrating it can be to get everything back into place. Whether it's on a side-mounted engine or a difficult-to-reach tensioner, replacing a serpentine belt can be a real challenge without the right tools. That's where the Performance Tool W84010 Serpentine Belt Tool comes in, designed to make the process much easier and more efficient. This essential tool is a must-have for anyone working on vehicles with spring-loaded idler pulleys. The Performance Tool W84010 is designed to release tension on serpentine belts quickly and easily, making it the perfect tool for any DIY mechanic or professional technician. It fits idler pulleys that require 15 mm, 16 mm, or 18 mm hex sockets, and it also works with 3/8 or half a square drive connections. Included with the tool are 13 mm, 14 mm, and 15 mm crowfoot wrenches, ensuring you have all the attachments you need to handle various pulley sizes. This versatility makes the W84010 suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to light trucks. One of the standout features of the Performance Tool W84010 is its ability to simplify the serpentine belt replacement process. Many vehicles, especially those with side-mounted engines, present unique challenges when it comes to accessing the tensioner and installing the new belt. A customer shared their experience with their 2002 Pontiac Grand Am, where they struggled to replace the belt using a breaker bar and pry bars. After several frustrating attempts, they finally used the W84010 tool and found that it made the entire process much easier, saving time and effort. They highly recommend this tool for anyone dealing with side-mounted engines or tight engine compartments. Not only does the Performance Tool W84010 help you replace belts quickly, but it also allows you to maintain tension properly, ensuring your serpentine system runs smoothly. The durable construction and easy-to-use design mean you'll have a tool that lasts for years, making it a great investment for both professionals and car enthusiasts.